What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel, Journey with Jean and Red. Oh. Layo na sa asola, no? Sigian magpada kano murag tubig sa kanal.
Lubog.
Kani pod ay. Wa pud ka-harvest ron kay palaghanon pa man, mga pahak pa man ang kuan. Nag-recover the azola is recovering. Where is Tatay? 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 Where na you? Tatay is there. Wow. It's harvesting corn. 10 pesos. Oh. 10 pieces.
Ada mana? Sebutan ni kaguang ba? Ini mahurot.
Ano? So I'll not harvest all. So I will get like this morning Tatay harvest 7 and it's gone already. Saba? Mais? Mais? Ya bunuhan na ni? Yeah. They are tall. Too tall. Yeah. We will not run out of corn here. You know what guys, speaking of corn, I gave Red a corn and Badin is here. So Red and Badin share corn. So what happened is Badin eat all Red's corn. So Red cry. Red's like weeping. Tay mura lagi nagtubig sa kanal. Ha? Mura nagtubig sa kanal tay.
Oh.
Mura yung gikuha kay.
Ingna si Renyo lang mahaki kaibanan nga tutulong og
Siya pa ibanan.
kaibanan na sulit na hilang ka.
Siya pa ibanan.
Piling asula ba tagsabalde.
Oh.
Pa refill ng uwang.
Ay, pabalhin anang naay gagidyot.
Basta mabulad og init.
Nalungan naman eh. Kapta naman naman. Okay naman na. Oh. Dito na pala biya.
Landong. The feeds I'm feeding the chickens not enough for them, so Big Boss says add more feeds. Oh, you see this one, oh, they're still very hungry. Oh, I will come back later, ha. Ouch. Here's the sweet corn. I know, not sweet corn, just corn.